Hey guys, this is Bud. I'm out here in Pennsauken, New Jersey. This property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom bungalow style. It's got an attic, but we're going to be sealing that off. This will be a Section 8 property. We had a problem with the deck. It was a screened-in porch that somebody did illegally. So let's take a walk through. Stairs got to be replaced. Front porch has to be replaced. All of this is rotten, so we got to fix all that. We only took the demo down to the studs where there was obvious water penetration. However, right now we are just moving along with this. We were able to save a few kitchen cabinets. And then this is the main area here. We've got to replace that bathroom. I'll go into that in a second. This is bedroom number 2. Bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 3. Is a really small closet. And then there's a little pass through here for the kitchen. That is the attic we will be showing off. This is the kitchen, sink, range, cabinets, more cabinets. Got to replace that. And then there is a basement that goes the full length of the house. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing were all good. The HVAC in this property was replaced approximately 5 years ago, 2019, as was the water heater. There is no air conditioning in here. We also need to replace the back railings on this property, and then we'll be good to go. Estimated cost is $40,000. Are you a veteran or first responder and you're ready to start your journey into financial freedom through real estate investing? Visit budevans.com and sign up for a free strategy session today. Whether you're looking to wholesale or flip properties or do what I did and build a passive income portfolio, I'll help you create a customized plan to achieve your goals. Don't wait, take action now and unlock your potential for success in real estate. Let's turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality. Head to budevans.com and schedule your strategy session now. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. Check out this video by clicking on the screen. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. Bud Evans signing off. We'll see you soon.